Hello everyone, Ryobi Guy here. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. And if you've seen a few of my videos before, thank you and welcome back. Before we begin, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So what I mentioned in my last short video is I'm going to be relocating my fence back to this brush line. But there's some trees that I want to cut down before the fence is there. So in order to get to the trees, I got to cut down the brush. So I got my handy dandy Ryobi Hedge Trimmer, so I can cut a path so I can get to the tree and take care of that before I put the fence up. So let's get to work. So there you go. I was able to cut a little path so I can now get to the tree. I got some pretty nasty sticker bushes in there, so I'd rather have this cut it than sticker bushes cut me. All right, so I just finished making a path with my hedge trimmer so I can get to the tree that I want to cut down. And like I said, there's some nasty sticker bushes in there. I got a little casualty of war there. So it's been so long since I used my chainsaw that I completely forgot that I had a gas-powered Ryobi chainsaw. It's a 16-inch, and I honestly haven't used it in years. I haven't started it in years, so I'm very curious to see how this thing is gonna fire up. Now, what I use for fuel for the chainsaw is bought at Home Depot. True Fuel. This stuff doesn't have any ethanol in it, so it's like almost like a stabilizer. You can leave this fuel in your carbureted, lawnmower, weed whacker, blower, or in my case, chainsaw, and it's supposed to remain fresh and not gunk up your carburetor. I've yet to have to service any of my lawnmower or weed whacker or blower using this fuel, and it's been years. So even though it's a little bit pricey, it's about, boy, the last time I bought it was like 20 bucks for a gallon. It's probably more now with the cost of, the time we're living in, but it's well worth it. You don't use that much of it, and if you don't have to take your tools to the shop to get them serviced, it's well worth its cost. So let's see how this thing fires up, if it does at all. Like I said, it's been years since I used this. All right, so let's give it a shot. It says prime 10 times. All right, choke button out. Pull 3 to 5 times. It's already a good sign. Set the choke to run. How about that? I haven't started this thing in years, and with the True Fuel, kicked right over. It's freaking awesome. Highly recommend that True Fuel. And actually, this thing's been really a workhorse for me as well. So I'm gonna head in the back, I'm gonna cut down what I want to cut down, and then take it from there. You're not gonna believe this, but the video wasn't recording, so you missed the tree falling down. But the evidence is there. What a waste. But I guess part of production, these things happen, so. All right, so take 2. You guys might have missed the larger tree falling down, but I got one behind me that I want to show you. So I'm gonna fire this up, take it down. Hopefully this one will be caught on camera, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I feel like I just walked out of the field of dreams. All right, I'm going to continue on, and I'm the Ryobi Guy. See you on the next one. Have a great day. All right, that's starting up. That's because it's in the off position. Durr. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, as you never know what bloopers and outtakes you might see in my next video. Until then, have a great one.